Action.
So we're heading away for 3 days. Got in the back my son Yona, 16, my daughter Dayla, is 14, Sola is kind of my stepdaughter really, and my stepson Kazi, who's 11, Sola's 14. So we're heading away to Tennyson Inlet, got the boat on the back, and we've also got an inflatable. Got 2 handy dogs. I have not bought my gun, so if we do catch a pig, then Yona, who's 16, will actually have to grab it with his teeth and hold it. Be a holding dog. You all good with that, son? Yeah. Good. That one there comes from Kmart. Is it Kmart in Richmond? Is that the place? Yeah, and this other one comes from the warehouse, and that one costs $16 and that one costs $17. Pretty cheap, isn't it? So they're all under control, and I'm going to sleep in the truck tonight, right up there. You cooking fried pies. It's not looking too flash so far, son. There's a dog mark right there. So someone's been out here today with dogs, so it's not looking like a very promising hunt at all. If someone's been in the area with dogs, I was hoping there wouldn't be, but hey, there's a lot of pig hunters around today. It's 7:30 at night. It's a Friday night, and we're hoping to catch a pig, but someone's already been in ahead of us. I'm surprised, I didn't think there would be. The dogs are smelling scent now, which looks like smelling another dog's scent too. Right, we're going to wake these guys up. You guys awake?
Yeah.
Is Cuzzy awake? Yeah. Okay boys, come on. Hands off cocks, feet and socks.
I've only got 1 foot in my sock.
You get 1 foot in your sock, okay. You awake, Dayla? Dayla? Is Solar awake? Why is it the girls are asleep and the boys are awake? The girls went to bed first and they're last getting up. Wake up, Dayla. You awake, honey? Well, get yourself up, go on. Teenage sons are easy. Teenage daughters aren't. Well, that's the way I find it anyway. Boys are easy. Cup of tea. Well, the boys have finished their breakfast and the girls have not even started. They're having a debate on, I wonder what, let's see. You had some breakfast?
Yeah. Yeah, look.
Hey, they were free.
Yeah, they're really cool. But like, if I'm sneaking up on a boar, then I might not want to be wearing these ones.
You boys have got your camp all sorted, yeah? And the girls tend to still up. What's taking so long, ladies?
Dad, everything I have is this colour.
It's cool, eh?
Like, this is my sleeping bag's this colour, and the bikinis this colour.
It's all just worked out that way, or do you colour coordinate it that way?
It just kind of worked out that way.
Cool. Well, the tribe's just leaving the jetty, coming out to the mothership. This boat I'm on basically is a home-built piece of beauty. Yeah, you want a board, son? So first of all, give me a rope, Dayla. Okay, cool. And you want to put yours on the side, and watch out for Cuzzy. You just whacked him in the head. You right, son? Okay, come up alongside, right up alongside us, so you only can jump on board. You got the front, boy. Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Cruising out onto the water, the wild sea, the captain and me. Drop 30 bag on the anchor line,
let these guys loose.
Onto the water. The wild sea, the captain and me. Drop the bag on the anchor line.
You know where you're going to, guys? Straight up there on the beach. See you up there. You get ready to jump out, son. Going into some shallow water. I don't know how shallow it is, but I can see it's quite shallow. I've got to run this motor at half draft along here. Pop this camera down. Stingray out there, is there? Keep rowing, Dana. Okay, good girl, Solar. Cuzzy, you get your boots off, boy. Nice and warm. And then we're going to go to our nice hut. Right, team, let's get this gear up to the hut. Cuzzy with one sore foot, carrying a mammoth load. Cuzzy got a piece of bamboo in his toe, right to his bone. And he's soldiering on, he hasn't made one complaint the whole trip. Happy days.
So cool.
Yeah, look at that, got our own fireplace and everything too. Bunks. Bit better than a tent, eh boy? Leave it on there, pull it. He's away. First time my boys ever operated an outboard motor. Let that run with the choke out for a while to warm the engine up, then put your choke in, idle it. That's the first. What are you guys catching? Fake bites. We're not getting any bites, she's just pretending. It's pretty real though, eh? Yeah. It's about the only bites we're going to get so far. This boat, folks, is one that I built myself. Much to the embarrassment of my father, who's actually a really good boat builder. I'm not, I'm a crap boat builder. I built it out of GG plywood, that's the cheapest plywood you can get. First time I took it out, it just leaked like a sieve. So I banged heaps of fiberglass on it. And as you can see, I've got a nice SS Commodore seat. It's got a 15 horse on the back. And it works, it's 16 foot long. We've done a heap of fishing in it, eh son? Got lots of fish in it. Right now we're out in Tennyson Inlet and it's a beautiful day. It's getting us in the same bit of water as all the flash boats, so who cares? Mind you, we're not catching a fish, probably because we don't have a fish finder and we don't know where we are. We're a bit lost. You know exactly where we are? Exactly where is this point? What's the name of that point there? No. What about that point over there? Charlie's point. Bullshit. All I know is we came from over that direction and we're going back later on. We were going to go for a hunt, but it's just so hot. It's going to be close to 30 degrees. Honestly, it's just cooking out here. I've got this top on because I've got no sun lotion, or sunblock at least, and I'm only wearing this to keep the, otherwise I'd be stark bollocks naked, but It's just too... No, I wouldn't actually, son. It'd be a horrible sight. Yep. I'll counterbalance. Go for it, boy. Straight over. That's a good one. That's a goodie. Yeah. A few more of those, boy, and we're laughing. Yum. What's that, boy?
That hurt my ears.
You went deep there, son. Hit your ears, did it?
Yeah.
They're good. Hold on, I'll come around and grab those. It's a good dive. I don't know how you're getting down there without any weight on your belt. Nice big muscle, big horse muscle.
Nah, it's a normal muscle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yum. Any more down there?
No, just the one.
Shit.
Is it?
Do you want to eat it? Yeah. Just throw it in the boat there. It's a big muscle, isn't it? It's dirty. Watch out for the prop there, son. Okay. What's these feet here? How to open up a kinner without cutting your foot. It's a minor operation. Take the top off. You can tell it's where the row goes in. This one's going to have stick it out the side. Let's see what the row situation's like. Fucking nothing, man. Look at that. That's got nothing in it, eh? That's a kinner from the Tennyson inlet, guys. No feed in that. That's his guts. There's a bit of row there, tiny bit there. Those rows are so small. Look at the size of that. That's a row. Bugger me. I'm eating more of its shit than its row. That's more sand. There's this row, look. You're going to eat about half a spoon of sand to get the row. And they're as bitter as fuck. They're not good ones. We'll try another one. That one was shit. Yuck. Fuck, I love kinner, but that was crap. Try another one. All your diving might have been in vain, son.
Oh.
Okay, whip that off. Now this one's better. See the row there?
Yeah,
That's better.
it's really yellow.
Here we go. Oh, it's got good row in it. Nice. Now we're talking. Give that a wash. You watch this here. Some good tucker in there. Bring that out. Look at here. They're better rows. Still not big compared to what you get, but still not big. Still small, eh? Just a tease, eh? Tastes good. This one's bleeding. It's got blood or something in it. They're just not big rows up in here, eh? Kind of feed off kelp, but I don't know if it's to do with the that's about as big as they're going to get, the rows. Is that one there? See it there? Just a tease. It sits on the end of my thumbnail. The size of it, it's tiny. Girls behind us, eh? good. Honest opinion. Honest opinion. After those kinner, a little bit bitter, but I love mussel soap. Oh, good. Completely different to what you get in the shops, because in the shops they've got all that stuff they put in to make it taste, you know, all that stuff they stick in. Vinegar and marinade, that's the natural taste.
Cockles and pippies.
Is it what you and Sola got while we were away?
Yeah.
Oh, it's dinner tonight then. Have you had those before, cuz?
No, don't think so.
Do you like seafood, mate?
No, not most seafood.
Are you Japanese? What about you, Sola? Do you like seafood?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. I like seafood. Oh, we'll give those just long enough they open up and put them on a plate, bit of butter. They'll be yum. This is the only fish that we got the whole weekend, and who caught it? This guy here. What is it? What sort of fish is it?
Kai.
Yeah, good man. And there's nothing wrong with a bit of kawai, and Jonas filleted it with my stick knife. Right, well that'll go well with the cockles anyway, it'll taste good. Honest comment, let's hear it. Don't like him? No. Are you sure you're Japanese? Okay. Kazi, you gonna try one, mate? What do you reckon?
It's good.
Oh, cool. Give me 5.
Can this go on there?
Oh, good. You don't like those, no? What don't you like about them? What tastes good? Is it the texture or the flavour?
Texture.
The texture. Quite chewy, eh? And we have one of these. This is the only one we have, and one person is going to win it. Parents, listen to me, never underestimate the power of bribery with children. This chocolate muffin.
Wait, does that mean that I can do nothing?
That's what's not working
And
as
not
well.
do chocolate muffins?
You could do nothing. Is that what you said too, Sola? So I don't want a chocolate muffin, so I'm just going to do nothing. Parents, sometimes bribery doesn't work. Dana, do you want the chocolate muffin?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got one child that's going to work her ass off and clean this hut, because we are going to make this place spotless before we leave it. Cuzzy looks like he's a contender for the chocolate muffin. He's on the broom already. Sola's doing her own stuff. Dana's already got a mattress stack. You're a natural, Sola. That looks good, mate. You're doing really well. Keep going. She's pretty good, eh, boy, for a first time. Some people... That's good steering too, Sola. Good correction there. Carry on, mate. You did a good job. Yep, your hat looks great. No, we're not doing circles. You're supposed to be going to Duncan Bay. Did you mean to do that circle? Or are you doing a few stunts now? Okay. Yeah, nice circles. How about a straight line? All right, Solar, that's enough circles. Let's see Cuzzy do. Okay, fire away, little man. Let's see what you got. Show us your skills. No circles this time. All right, so the kids have learnt to do circles in a boat. That is not going straight ahead. Oh, they're enjoying acting the bollocks. Is that as straight as you can go?
Yeah.
Right. Well, Dayla, you're teaching them wasn't particularly. It was good at doing circles, but we need to get the boat going in straight ahead, honey.
I learned it from you, though, Dad.
Okay, right, all right. Winding me up. See you later. You can pay. Tearing it. The inflatable boat. It's only 35 kg. Doing alright. Oh, just leave her with it. That's a good idea. You alright, Solar?
Yeah.
Pretty strong. The nifty is in the boat, so Solar. Good job, team. Nice time, thank you. Lovely day for it. Right, we're going to cook that for dinner tonight, okay? Yeah, you keen? Yeah, you want to eat that? Yeah? Make sushi out of it, yeah? I think we should go back and see if we can't eat it. Did you get him? Yeah. Good eat, mate.